How to fix the CapCut template music is not working. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If your CapCut template music is not working, it could be due to the app settings, file issues, or compatibility issue. So here are the troubleshooting steps that should help. Getting started with, you have to check your internet connection as templates often require downloading assets. This is why you have to ensure having a stable internet connection to load as well as play the music. Once this is done, you have to update your CapCut to the latest version. In order to do so, head over to Play Store or App Store, search for CapCut and tap on Update button if it's available. Updates often resolve the bugs related to music as well as templates. However, some templates might be region restricted. In that case, if music is not available in your region, you'll have to use a VPN to access it. Once that is done, make sure to close all the CapCut applications along with background applications and then reopen the app. This can resolve the temporary glitches causing the music. Now that you have reopened the CapCut application, tap on the settings or the gear icon on the top right corner. Then tap on Clear Cache option. After that, check for the CapCut permissions and make sure to enable access to storage as well as media. However, if none of the solutions work, you'll have to contact to the customer support for the further assistance. So that's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.